Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your Grindr ban on your mobile device. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if your profile is banned on Grindr, just follow me and you will be able to fix this. So go to your Grindr application on your mobile device and make sure to log into your account, and now tap on your profile icon, which is around at the top left side of the screen. Just tap on it and tap on the option that says settings and scroll down to find the option that says support. Just tap on support and now search for banned profile and go for it, and tap on the first option that says verifying your identity. Just tap on it and scroll down to find related articles, and you can see the option that says banned profiles. Just tap on it and again scroll down, and you can see there is option that says here, which is between the lines, on appealing a ban. Just tap on the option that says here, and now just tap on this option and make sure it is I want to appeal a ban, and you can type on your email address, and I'm going to do that. And after typing on your email address, which is associated with Grindr application or your account, and again take on I want to appeal my account suspension, and also tick on is this the email associated with your Grindr account. Just click on it and make sure to type on the email address which is associated with your Grindr account. Just type on a version of Grindr that you were using while your account was suspended, and also type on how did you create your Grindr account and your device type, and also write some subject about your device ban or your account ban, and also type on some information what was happening while your account was suspended, and also review community guidelines and tick on this, and also tick on this option that says hate violence and offensive content. I verified that I did not violate this guideline, and also tick on minors. I verified that I did not violate this guideline, and tick on every necessary field. You can also add files or drop files here to prove that you did not violate the community guidelines of Grindr, and tap on submit. And after doing all these steps, Grindr team will get back to you and might help you to recover your suspended account. And after doing all these steps, I hope that you will be able to fix Grindr ban. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.